everyone. In the last video, we discussed about the surface area and volume of a cylinder. We already discussed the formula of volume. So now we are going to start exercise 13.6. With the very first question here, the circumference of the base of the cylindrical vessel is 132 centimeter and its height is 25 centimeter. Then how many liters of water can it hold? Okay. So we are given here the circumference of the base of the cylinder. So circumference of the base of the cylindrical vessel, that is equals to 132 centimeter, and height of the cylindrical vessel, it is given 25 centimeter. Okay, so first with the help of the circumference of the base we will find the radius. We know that 2 pi r circumference is given. So 2 pi r is equals to 132. This is 2 pi r circumference. So here we would find r is equals 132 upon 2 pi, or r is equals to 132 upon 2 into pi we can write as 22 upon 7. So 7 will comes in numerator. So here we can divide this. 2 6 are 12, 2 6 are 12 and 22 3s are. So r is equals to 21 centimeter. This is the value of r. And we have to find how many liters of water can it hold. It means we have to find the volume. Okay. So V is equals to pi r square h. Pi is again 22 upon 7. R is here 21 into 21 and h is equals 25. It is given here. We can divide this. Here we have 3. So 25 and 22. If we multiply, then we have here 550. Multiply 3 ones are 3 twos are 6. So if we multiply these two, 63 and 55, 50 and 60, 333. So here we are having 34650 centimeter cube. So capacity of cylindrical vessel is equals 34650. We have to find this into liters. So we have to divide by 1000. That's why we are having 34.65 liters. This much of water it can hold. Now the second question is there. The inner diameter of a cylindrical wooden pipe is 24 centimeter. Inner diameter it is given. Outer diameter is given. The length of the pipe is 35 centimeter. Find the mass of the pipe if 1 centimeter cube of wood has a mass of 0.6 gram. Okay, so inner diameter of a given. So we have to find the inner radius also. Suppose that is equals to r. So inner radius is equals 24 by 2. That is 12 centimeter. Right. Outer diameter. So suppose this is capital R. Capital R is equals to 28 divided by 2. That is 14 centimeter. Okay. Length of the pipe is given 35 centimeter. Now, amount, this formula we already discussed in the last video. Amount of wood in the pipe. We have to find the amount of wood in the pipe is equals outer volume minus inner volume. Outer volume with outer radius, inner volume with inner radius. So we are having here pi, outer radius is r. So pi r square h is same. Inner radius is pi, small r square is h. So we can take here pi h as common. This formula we already discussed in the last video. So r square minus r square pi h, we can get here r plus r and r minus r. Pi is 22 upon 7. H is given to us 35. R is here, capital R is here, 14 plus 12, and here is 14 minus 12, 7 5s. So this 22 and 5 can be multiplied, we are having 110. This 14 and 12, we are having 26 into 2. This is 110, 52. Okay, and this can be multiplied here. 2, 55 plus 2, 5720 centimeter cube. Now we have to find the mass. Mass of wood in pipe is equals mass of 1 centimeter cube wood multiply volume of wood in pipe. This is 5720. This is the volume of wood in the pipe, amount of wood in the pipe, and mass of 1 centimeter cube, it is given that 0.6 centimeter cube multiply 5720. So it can be 0, 2, then 3, 4 and 3, 34, 320. Point after one digit. So with this we have 3432, this much of gram. If we want to find this in kg, it's just not asking, but we can write it is here at 3432 divided by 1000. So 3.432 kg. In kg we can get the answer also. Okay. Now the next question is there. Third question. A soft drink is available in 2 packs. A tin can with a rectangular base of length 5 cm and 4 cm having a height of 15 cm. This is a rectangular, means cuboid. So in this first part we will find the volume of the cuboid L into B into H. A plastic cylinder with circular base of diameter this one, so we can get the radius, and height is this much. Which container has greater capacity? So for both, for the rectangular tin and for the plastic cylinder, we will find their volume separately. So then we can compare to find out which container has the greater capacity, and by how much. To find how much we have to subtract this. Okay, so you can do this. Now the fourth question. If the lateral surface of a cylinder is 94.2 centimeter square and its height is 5 centimeter, then find the radius of the base. And we have to find also the volume. Here pi we can use 3.14. Right. Now the third question is there. Fourth question. It is given here, let the base radius of the cylinder is r. So we can let here height of the cylinder h is equals to 5 centimeter. Right. Now for the first part. In first part we have to find the lateral surface area. So lateral surface area is equals, this will be 2 pi RH. So we can put the values here. So 2 pi RH, that is given to us in the book. It is given here 94.2 centimeter square. So this 2 pi RH is equals to 94.2. So 2 into pi we can write here 3.14. R is R. This we have to find, that is 5 is equals 94.2. So R will be remain here, or we can cut also. We can remove this decimal, this one and this one also, 100. Right. So this 0 can be cut. So R is equals 942 into 10 upon 2 into 314 into 5. 5 to the 10, and this 2 can be cut. And here R is equals to 3, 4 is 12, 3 1 is 3, 4, 3 3 is 9. This can be cut. So R is equals to 3 centimeter. This R we got here. Now we have to find the volume. Second part. Volume is equals pi r square h. Pi is equals to 3.14 and r is 3 square, h is 5. So 3.14 into 9 into 5. This is 9, and if we multiply these two, we can multiply these two first. 5 4s are 10, so 20, 0, 1, here is 7 and 15. Point after 2 digit. Now we can multiply it with 9. So 0, this is 3, and this one is 1 and 4. This one 141.30. This much of centimeter cube. This is the solution for the fourth question. Now we can see the fifth question. Fifth question is here. If cost of rupees 2200 to paint the inner curved surface area of the cylindrical vessel 10 meter deep, if the cost of painting is at the rate of 20 per meter square, we have to find the three parts: inner curved surface area, radius and capacity of the vessel. Right. So total cost of painting, it is given here 2200, and cost of painting of 1 meter square area, it is given rupees 20. So we can find the area. Area is equals, we have to divide both the cost. Total cost of painting divide by cost of painting of 1 meter square area, that is equals to 2200 upon 20. 0 can be cut, and we are having here 110 meter square. So this is the first part. Actually this is the inner. So inner curved surface area is equals 110 this one of meter square. This is the first answer. Now for the second part, let r be the radius of the cylindrical vessel. Okay. So what is the formula for this? CSA. Curved surface area is equals, we know that, 2 pi RH, and we are already having this inner curved surface area. So 2 pi RH is equals to 110. So 2 into 22 upon 7 R, we don't have here. H, that is given in the book, that is 10 meter deep. So here we'll write 10 is equals to 110. 0 can cut. So R is equals to 11 into 7 upon 22 into 2. So 11 2s are, this we are having 7 by 4 meter. Or if we want to divide this, we are having 4 1s are 7s are 28 and 4 5s are. This is 1.75 meter. This is the answer for the second part. Now for the third part. Third part, we have to find the volume of the vessel. Formula is pi r square h. Pi we are having here 22 upon 7 r. We can take this one 7 by 4. No need to take this because in decimal we have to solve it again. So here we can write 7 by 4. 7 by 4 into 10. This 7 can be cut. 2 2s are 2 11 and 2 5s are. So here we are having 35 and multiply by 11. We are having here 385. 385 upon 4. This can be 9s are 36, 2 5 6 are 24, 2s are and 5s are. This much of meter cube. So this is the volume of the vessel. Inner curved surface area, the radius and the volume of the vessel. All the three parts we have found here. Now the next one is there, the question number 6. The capacity of a closed cylindrical vessel of height 1 meter. height is given, and the capacity means the volume is given, that is 15.4 liters. How many square meters of metal sheet would be needed to make it? This is a closed cylindrical vessel. So we have to find the total surface area. For that, height is given, we are required radius. So with the help of the volume, we will find here radius. So it is given capacity of the cylindrical vessel is 15.4 liter. So height is given in meter. So we have to convert this into meter cube. Meter is square. This is the capacity. So in meter cube we will find this. So this will be 15.4 divided by 1000. This much of meter cube. Height is given. So we will let R be the radius of the vessel. Okay, so here we are having pi r square h is equals to 15.4 divided by 1000. This already, the conversion of liter, meter cube and centimeter cube already we have discussed in the very first video. So you can see from there pi r square h is equals to 15.4 upon 1000, 22 upon 7 r square, h is given 1, 15.4 upon 1000. One more 0 we can write here. So r square is equals to 154 upon 1, 2, 3, 4 zeros into 22 into 7. This 22 and 54 can be cut by 7. So r square, r is equals to under root 7 into 7 upon this we can write 100 into 100. So r is equals to 7 upon 100. This much of meter. This is the radius. We have to find the total surface area because we have to find how many square meters. Here it is given how many square meters of metal sheet would be needed to make it. So we have to find the total surface area, that is equals to 2 pi r into r plus h. 2 into 22 upon 7. Radius is given. We have find here 7 upon 100. And r is 7 upon 100 plus 1. 7 can cut, and this we have 2 into 22 upon 100. If we solve this, 100 plus 7, 107 upon 100. So this is 44 into 107 upon 1, 2, 3, 4 zeros are here. If we multiply these two, 28, 40. So 4708 upon 1, 2, 3, 4. That is equals to 0.4708 meter square. So this will be the answer here, that this much of 0.4708 meter square metal sheet would be needed to make it. Answer has to be right at the last for all these questions. Now the next question, number 7. A lead pencil consists of a cylinder of wood with a solid cylinder of graphite filled in the interior. Interior में pencil में lead है. The diameter of the pencil is 7 mm and the diameter of the graphite is 1 mm. If the length of the pencil is 14 cm, find the volume of the wood and that of the graphite. Wood का भी बताना है, graphite का भी बताना है, and the unit is in mm of graphite. And the height of the pencil is in centimeter. So this will be like this. यहाँ पहले पेंसिल है और बीच में यहाँ पर ग्रेफाइट, दिस वन, बीच में कहीं पर ग्रेफाइट ऐसे आ जाएगा, और ये हमारी पेंसिल like this. Okay. So the diameter of the pencil it is given 7 mm. So we can find the radius here. If suppose the radius is r1, radius is equals to 7 upon 2, but we have to convert this into centimeter. So we will divide by 10. So this is 7 upon 20 centimeter. Similarly, diameter of the graphite, suppose this is r2. R2 we can find 1 upon 2. Okay. Radius, so 1 upon 2 into 10, that is 1 upon 20 centimeter. We have to divide by 10 to convert millimeter into centimeter, and the length of the pencil is already given to you 14 centimeter. Okay, so we have to find here volume of कुछ भी. First of all we have to find the volume of wood. So here volume of wood in pencil, it is just like that, the hollow cylinder, same formula is there. So pi r1 square minus r2 square into h. दिस इज फॉर आउटर. पेंसिल है तो ये आउटर का हो गया और ग्रेफाइट इनर का हो गया, तो आउटर माइनस इनर. सो पुटिंग द वैल्यू 22/7. r1 we are having here 7/20. So after squaring it becomes 49/400 minus r2 square is 1/20. It becomes 1/400. Height is given here. Height is given 14. So 7 2s are. So here 2 and 22 can be multiplied. We are having here 49. By taking the LCM 400, 49 minus 1, we are having 44 into 48/400. This can be cut 11 and 100. So if we multiply 11 8s are 88, 44 plus 8, that is 52. 52/100, that is equals 5.28 centimeter cube. This is the volume of the wood in the pencil. Now we have to find the volume of graphite. It means the inner volume. Volume of graphite in the cylindrical pencil is equals pi r square h, same formula, 22/7. For that radius is equals 1/20. graphite के लिए radius है 1/20 into 1/20. height is same, that is 14 centimeter. So 7 2s are 2 10s are 2 10 2 11. So it becomes 11/100, that is 0.11 centimeter cube. This is the volume of the graphite and this is the volume of the wood in the pencil. Now the last question is that you can do this. A patient in a hospital is given soup dill in the cylindrical bowl of diameter is given, so radius we can find out. If the bowl is filled with the soup of height is given 4 centimeters, so we can find the volume of the soup in the bowl, and then later on we can multiply the volume with the 250. So we can get the answer is how much soup the hospital has to prepare daily to serve 250 patients. So this exercise you can do with examples. You can do all these questions in the fair notebook, and in the next video we will discuss the surface area and volume of the right circular cone. Thank you so much.